Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this vehicle comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, you get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.